Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into YouTube and confirming your account access. Make sure any two-step verification is ready. Once done, pick exactly what to save, a single video, several clips, or a whole playlist, because that choice changes the tool and settings you use. Next, select where the file will live: internal drive for quick access or external SSD/HDD for backups. This early decision prevents wasted transfer time, and it lets you set correct folder permissions before any download starts. Now run the downloader tool you chose and paste the YouTube link. Grant permissions when prompted. Choose the quality. 720p or 1080p balances size and clarity, while original preserves source quality but costs space, and pick MP4 if you want broad compatibility. If you need captions or chapter metadata, enable those export options. Once download finishes, convert files only if necessary to match your editing or playback software. This keeps your workflow smooth, and finish by organizing files into clear folders, using dates and topic tags so you can find content fast. Then create at least one backup, cloud storage or an external drive, verify integrity with checksums or a quick playthrough to confirm no corruption. If something goes wrong, downloads fail or files are corrupted, first check your network and storage space, then retry the download. If failures persist, switch to a different trusted downloader or try a lower quality setting to reduce transfer errors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.